The future of flight isn't just about giants crossing oceans or air taxis buzzing between skyscrapers. Some of the boldest innovations, the most surprising technologies, and the most accessible potential are hidden in the sky, on a smaller scale. We're talking about ultralight aircraft and light sport aircraft. Far from being simple flying contraptions, they've become platforms for experimentation and disruption, driven by manufacturers who challenge conventional norms. Today, we'll take off to meet 4 of these pioneering companies. We'll discover not just what they build, but how they do it and why you should have them on your radar. Our first stop takes us to Slovenia, with a manufacturer that's been doing this since 1989, Pipistrel. More than just a veteran, Pipistrel is a true pioneer, especially in the use of lightweight composite materials since the 90s, perfecting processes that allow them to build incredibly efficient and robust aircraft. They don't stop there. They are masters at using advanced digital simulation for designing everything from propellers to structures, taking optimization to another level. But their biggest leap, what makes them truly disruptive, is their strong and early commitment to electric propulsion and sustainability, even exploring the potential of hydrogen. Their most notable model, the Velis Electro, is a historical milestone. It became the first electric aircraft to obtain full-type certification in Europe. Imagine a plane that instead of emissions, only leaves a trail of clean air. With a cruise speed of 167 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 50 minutes plus VFR reserve, it's not designed to cross continents, but it's perfect for its primary mission, revolutionizing pilot training. It's ideal for flight schools in urban or noise-sensitive areas thanks to its low noise level. Its lower operating costs make it economical, and crucially, it's training the next generation of pilots in next-gen aviation. Pipistrel doesn't just build light aircraft. They're building the future of sustainable pilot training. From Italy in 2011 emerged Blackshape Aircraft, a relatively young company that quickly made a name for itself. Their hallmark is the combination of unmistakable Italian design with cutting-edge production processes. They are pioneers in light aviation by extensively using carbon fiber reinforced polymer, or CFRP, and the autoclave molding technique. This is the same high-precision technology used in manufacturing composite structures in modern commercial aircraft, such as the material used in a large part of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner fuselage. This allows them to create incredibly lightweight yet exceptionally strong and durable airframes. Their most iconic model, the Blackshape Prime, embodies this philosophy. It was designed with the high-performance enthusiast and recreational pilot in mind, who is looking for something beyond the conventional. The Prime is synonymous with speed and agility. It reaches a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour and a cruise speed of 275 kilometers per hour. While the specific range for the Prime is not detailed in the sources, a related Blackshape model, the Gabriel, offers a range of approximately 740 kilometers. This suggests considerable capability for the Prime as well, aligned with its high-performance design. Its agile design and precise controls evoke an exciting flying experience. The Prime is positioned as an elite ultralight for those who value elegant design, advanced material technology, and performance that pushes you back in your seat. It's the perfect blend of aerospace art and science. From South Africa, with beginnings in 2006, comes Sling aircraft. While others are betting big on composites, Sling has perfected the art of riveted metal construction. They use high-quality aluminum alloy, a proven technology that results in robust and durable aircraft. Their disruption comes from accessibility and participation. They are famous for offering their aircraft as precise construction kits, designed so aviation enthusiasts can build their own plane, often with the help of just one person thanks to clever riveting techniques. It's democratizing aircraft manufacturing. Their flagship model, the Sling TSI, shows that metal construction can be synonymous with high performance and versatility. The Sling TSI is a travel aircraft. It boasts an impressive cruise speed of 293 kilometers per hour and a remarkable range of up to 1,852 kilometers. What also makes it unique in this segment is its capability to carry 4 occupants comfortably. This makes it the ideal choice for long-distance travel with family or friends. It's popular among kit builders who want a high-performance aircraft that's relatively easy to assemble. And it's also used in flight schools. Sling aircraft proves you can have a robust, capable aircraft with great range and accessibility, whether you buy it ready to fly or build it yourself. Finally, we fly to California, United States. Since 2011, and relaunched as Pivotal in 2023, this company represents perhaps the boldest vision of disruptive personal aviation ultralight eVTOLs. Their key innovation lies in simplifying complexity. Their tilt aircraft architecture for vertical takeoff and landing is ingeniously simple, reducing weight and potential failure points. They also use lightweight carbon fiber composite and a detachable wing design for easy transport. But, their biggest disruption isn't just the technology, it's accessibility. Their model, the Helix, is designed to comply with FAA Part 103 in the United States. So, what does that mean? In theory, you can operate it without needing a pilot's license. It's a total game-changer for recreational personal aviation. The Pivotal Helix is their first production model, designed for personal recreation. It reaches a cruise speed of 102 kilometers per hour, and has a range of more than 32 kilometers plus 20% reserve. While not for long trips, it's perfect for short, fun flights over your area. The use cases are clear, personal recreational flight accessible to nearly anyone in the US, allowing takeoff and landing from almost anywhere. Pivotal isn't just building an aircraft, they're building a new category of personal freedom in the air, making the dream of flying a much closer reality for many. From certified electric pioneers in Slovenia to Italian composite and high design mastery, the accessible South African metal robustness and long range, all the way to the total disruption of personal eVTOL flight in California, these four manufacturers are just a sample of the incredible ecosystem of innovation that's redefining smaller aircraft. They show us that the future of aviation isn't just decided in the big commercial jet factories, but also in audacious companies around the world that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerodynamics, materials, propulsion, and crucially, accessibility. The next era of flight is already taking off, and these are some of its most disruptive architects. Which of these manufacturers or what technology did you find most impressive? Can you imagine flying in one of them in the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed exploring this side of the future of aviation, please give the video a like. And to keep discovering the innovations shaping tomorrow's flight, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for flying with us.